Welcome back, YouTubers. Welcome back to another chef show. Today I am working alone. I don't have my two baby master chefs with me today, so it's just me. So I'm gonna make a cool chicken dish for y'all guys today. So y'all gonna follow me through the process. Alright, first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna chop up some onions here. We're gonna slice and dice. Like I said, I keep all my stuff fancy. I'm not gonna be doing any fast chopping because I love my fingers. Alright, here we go. I'm just gonna chop these babies up. Make them real small, get like a dice going on, getting a dice going on. I don't like to mess with them too long because they start stinking. You don't want to do that. All right, so I'm going to take these bad boys, these are my red onions, I'm going to take them over here and I'm going to saute them down a little bit. All right. We're going to move back. Oh no, it's about to make me cry. You make me cry.
Oh, boo-hoo! Let me play a sad song for you on the world's smallest violin.
But anyway, alright, let's get back to business. Alright, I'm going to take my broccoli while I'm waiting on my onions to saute over here. I'm going to take my broccoli, cut it down. Cut it down a little bit. But for real, I got a tear in my eye.
Oh, boo-hoo!
Alright, let's keep this thing going. Cut these bad boys down. Cut them down some more, break them apart. This broccoli is very good for you, very good for you. Look at this eye, people. Look at that eye. See that? The onions really have me crying. Alright, I'm going to add a little salt. A little pepper. Let's cut that for you. My eyes really burning for real. Alright, so we're going to move back over to my onions. Got to make sure they are nice and sauteed. So this is going to be like my rice pilaf, or brown rice pilaf. So I'm going to caramelize my onions. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to move back over this side a little bit. And I'm going to grab some brown rice. Place my brown rice into my oil.
I thought I was smelling in the shower. Smelled this in the shower.
Right.
Very strong.
So the purpose is if you want the brown, you want to mix up real good. Get that brown going on. Now you can add whatever you want to add in here. You can add a chicken stock, beef stock, whatever you want to use. But what I'm gonna use, Saison, baby, Saison. So yeah, because you can add any type of flavor. So we'll add a little bit of Saison in here. So it gives color and flavor. Alright. So we're gonna let this brown a little bit. Alright. While we're letting it brown, we're gonna move back over to my broccoli. Now I have my broccoli, a little salt and pepper in there. Put a little extra light flavor olive oil. Alright? Just a little bit. Alright. We're moving right along. Mix these bad boys up. Up.
Wow.
Drop one. But it's all good. Alright. So we're gonna move over here to my George Foreman grill, baby. George Foreman. A little non-sticker on there. I like grilling everything. I want to put a little grill marks on to make it look nice and pretty. Just let it sit on there for a little bit. Let it get some grill marks on it. Alright, we're going to come back over. Alright, so next, I'm going to clean my board off. Flip that bad boy over. So I'm going to take my chicken. Regular chicken legs. Put a couple cut marks in here. Because you definitely want the flavor to go down into the chicken. Once again, I like to keep it simple. A little pepper. A little salt. Watch out now. A little bit of olive oil. Secret recipe, baby. Secret recipe. Italian dressing. You're gonna love this. We're gonna mix this boy real good. We're gonna mix it up. Wash my hands off. Alright, so I'm gonna move back over here and check on my my rice. Make sure it gets nice and brown. It's already brown rice. I want to make it browner. Alright. Check them bad boys out. This is what we're talking about. Everything grilled. Get your grill marks on. We're going to shut that bad boy off. Just let it simmer for a little bit. We're going to come back on this side. So we're going to start placing our chicken on a pan. My oven is already its own baked. And I have it on 400. So I'm going to go ahead and place the chicken in the oven. I add my broccoli to my rice. So we're going to mix this bad boy up a little bit. So we're going to add just a little bit of water to make sure we cover it. So in about 30 minutes we'll let this bad boy cook. Once it's done, I'll get back with you. I'll get back with you. So right now, that's a wrap. All right, guys, I am back. So this is the masterpiece. Once it's done, like I said, you got the brown rice, the broccoli, little Saison in there, chicken with Italian dressing on it. Man, it's excellent. You know, you got to make it. You know, you got to make it look pretty. You eat with your eyes. So what do you think, guys? So I hope you like this video. So I need a big like. I need a share. I need you to subscribe. Once again, thank y'all guys. And this is a wrap.